kami sa capital. The gang. Takpan ng puno. Right angle eh. Oh. Oh. Lucky. Okay, pasok kami.
Papa, look. He's walking like
Wow, walking like a princess. Bob, kawak pa.
like a princess. Bow.
What?
Ito yung 10. Wonton. Ito yung
Ayan. Nahatak si mama.
11 o'clock daw, Ken.
Ah, sakto.
Madami tayong kasama. 25
Okay lang.
participants.
Gano'n. Tour. Yung pala.
Sila kayo kayo Lapu-Lapu. Lapu-Lapu.
Kakaiba. Mag-CR lang kami. Mabilis ka lang naman, di ba?
CR muna ako.
How are you, Missy? Pagwiwi. Sa tour kami. State Reception Room. Ingay nito. Ganda, no? Mamaya. Pwede naman pagtapos sa speaker ka. Hi ma'am, can I take a video
Yes,
here?
yes,
Okay,
yeah.
thank you.
Kind of close the door. Okay, part of my introduction I skipped is please silence your cell phone, which is often back in the 20s, we also had the Tiffany Lighting Company. They went out of business. Fortunately, they finished our building first because all of our big each one of these weighs 1 ton, and each one has more than 1,000 glass. The marble on the walls is Italian, and on the floor it's Belgian.
Italian.
Sorry.
Hindi ko alam.
You can see how ornate this marble is, and because of that, I freed up the purpose by using a booking method. Booking means slice the marble, roll it open. Yep. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Making people. Yes. Okay. Maybe a little bit, yes. And again, this is a public tour. We have people from the Philippines and around Washington and on the tour as well.
Yes, push si mama. Mamita House Gallery. Later. Pasok na kami.
That's because every other year they have to pass the budget and that takes longer. The governor can call them into special session anytime he gives it. The health department, they serve and serve up 2 years. So we don't have term limits in Washington. That any elected official can run as long as people have here. They are elected.
So beautiful, Macy. Pasok na. Ha? Wow. Kasama nila tayong Pintay. May paglaban sila sa atin. And we're out of the tour. Ganda. Sobrang ganda nito, no? Ganda, no? Pagkahagwa. Sabi sa tour, all granite. Marbles pala. Marbles, no? From Alaska daw to. All brass. Dito. So beautiful. Asia. Picture tayo. Picture doon? Doon? Doon. Sabi mo, saan ba? Dito or doon? Dito na.
Sa bagay naman lang.
Sino? Yung mga lights. Parang ginaya daw sa Roman na fire. Apat yan meron.
Sige, tara. Hi, maybe.
Naantok pa sila mama. Uwi tayo.
Tara. Pala dito.
Nga. Kung ano, buta nakasando shirt talaga bigla ako. Uwi tayo? Pagod na sila mama at papa.
Ano kayong ano, di ba, Ken?
Alex, sumama ka na. Ano lang?
Selfie.
Tapos mamaya sa selfie na.
tayo.
Sila ninya. Tignan din natin.
Ito, buraot naman natin.
Ay, yung mga bata. Mga bata.
Ayan, yan, yan. Okay. Uy, maawa ka naman.
Ay, niya.
Okay na yan, lagi. Uy.
Ninya. Dito galing yun. Kilian, Mabi, Wancho.
Si Bani, hindi matagal pa. Nakakailang balik pa ako dito.
Wala na. Sayang. Bye. Tapos na, nang buraot na. Yes, ulit tayo. Si Lapu-Lapu. Oh. Ang ganda talaga dito. Yan na kami. Bye. Say bye pa. Say bye. Bye. Not hi.
Bye.
Ayan. Look mo Macy oh. Look mo window. Ayaw niya tignan. Look, we're flying. Macy, we're flying. Wow. Poker face. Oh, look.
Conscious na pag nagbibideo kayo.
Macy, you're flying. Yay. Masayang malungkot din. Yay.